How to unlock your Bosch washing machine if it's locked. So I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do in order to unlock it or you need to unlock the door of the Bosch machine. So for that, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. And one thing more, that if you're new to the channel, make sure you like it and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So these are some steps that you need to follow. Number one is press and hold to start button for 3 to 5 seconds until you hear a beep and then key symbol disappears. Another way is to press and hold the RPM and the finish in button together until you hear a beep and the symbol disappears. If your washing machine has advanced screen display, then there should be an illuminated screen button with a key symbol and a 3-second underneath it. Simply hold the button down for 3 seconds and the button will darken and you should hear a beep. So this will fix the issue. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing our channel. Take care. Bye bye.